Hi, this is Dr. Leedy from Legacy Counseling Services in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. I wanted to make a quick video for you to show you how to log into the client portal and to complete the necessary forms for confirming your appointment and to become a client at Legacy Counseling Services. So after you've spoken with someone on our team, they will send you an email. Either Brittany or Christy will send you an email with instructions. So this is what it looks like on my screen. This is from Brittany, and it says new appointment with Legacy Counseling Services. So when you click on this email, you'll get detailed instructions. So you'll see here that the link that comes into your email in a different email is only good for 48 hours. And it's also coming from no reply at therapyappointment.com. So you just want to make sure that if you don't see it in your inbox, you check your spam box or your junk mail to make sure that it's not in there. And then you can always save this email, no reply at therapyappointment.com, so that emails go into your inbox instead of your spam. You will have to use your date of birth to enter the client portal. And also, we strongly recommend that when you are first logging into the client portal to complete the initial paperwork, that you do so from a laptop or a desktop computer. The forms online, they just don't load correctly if you're using your iPhone or an Android phone. So when you log in, you'll see this picture here. Let me see if I can't make it any bigger, but anyway, basically you'll see this picture here, and so you'll know that you're in the right spot. Okay. There are forms that you must fill out electronically through the client portal within that 48-hour time frame of when the email was sent. So these forms are informed consent, authorization for us to take electronic payment from you, notices of privacy practices, those types of things. And there's also a client biography. When you complete those forms online electronically, those will automatically be saved in a secure way into the client portal. So you don't have to worry about emailing any of those or dropping them off or anything like that. So when you go into the client portal, when you get in there, you'll see a page that looks like this. And so this is your main profile page. You will be asked to enter a credit card number, and this is saved into the portal, and we don't have access to your full credit card number, only the last four, so that when we go to bill your appointments, in the future, we will know which credit card to use. You can actually put multiple credit cards in there if you would prefer. But when you're first starting out, the important thing to do is come over here on the left-hand side of the screen, and you'll see a box that says Documents and Forms and a little blue circle next to it with a number. And you need to make sure to click on that in order to review the consent forms and sign it and so forth. Okay, so this is, again, the email that you will get from the admin team with the instructions. When you check your email again, here is the next email. This email that comes from no reply at therapyappointment.com is coming directly from the therapy appointment client portal, and it's this email that is only good for 48 hours. So make sure that you are, again, checking your inbox or your spam or your junk mailbox for this email. So when I click on it, it's going to tell me that a new profile has been established for me as a client, and that I will only be able to use this particular link one time. So if you, if you log in or you can't get in for some reason, we'll have to send you a new link. Okay. So I'm going to log in, and it's going to take me to therapyappointment.com. Okay. Now I'm going to enter my date of birth. Okay, and now it's going to create a password for me. I'm sorry, a username. The username, I'm actually not sure if it's automatically put in there or if it's one that you create. I will tell you that if the username is already in use by another user, that you'll have to create a different one. So just be aware of that. And then make sure that your password obviously is 8 characters has one upper and one lowercase letter, has a symbol and a number. And I am going to I'm going to change this. Put a new password in. Okay, so then you come to this screen here. This is just the client portal terms of service. Now I'm in my new client registration. So I'm going to fill out all of this information. One thing I want to tell you is that when you get into the client contact information section and you put your phone in, this is where you can set yourself up for appointment reminders. Emergency contact, this is really important for us to have. That way if something, some medical event happens to you in the office, that we know how to, we know who to reach out to if we need to. I'm just making this stuff up. Okay, the responsible party, you would want to click this button here if this person, this emergency contact person, is responsible for paying for services. Okay. All right, if you are using insurance, you can go ahead and put your insurance company here. Okay, and then your subscriber number. The policy start date, this is important for us to know to verify your benefits, your group number, and your plan name. Okay. And then this information, insured information. So if you are insured by a parent or by your spouse or by yourself, then you would want to make sure you put all that information in here. And make sure that you use their name as it is written on their insurance card. Okay, here is where you'll put in your credit card information. Now I just want to show you, if you put in a fake card number, it is not going to go through. So make sure that your card number is correct. Here you're clicking that you authorize your therapist to place this card on file for future service charges. You've got to click that and next. Okay, so after I've put in a valid card number, I'll click done and it will say all done. And so I will go here to click done. And then this is where you'll see on your left-hand side your profile, your dashboard, the appointments that you've got scheduled. There probably won't be any appointments right away because we don't schedule appointments or confirm appointments until after you have set yourself up on the profile and you've completed the forms. This section here, My Docs and Forms with the 2, that means there are 2 documents waiting for you to review and to electronically sign. So go here. And then you'll see the Informed Consent Services Agreement and the Client Self-Biography. So if you click on this, the Services Agreement, you can scroll down. Please make sure you read all of this carefully. This does document and outline our financial policies and our business policies. It really goes through what you can expect from us and what we can expect from you. So after each section, you'll see this little button here that says, I have read and understood the above information. So just make sure that you read everything carefully. I do know it's a long document, but we really like to just cover things thoroughly with you so that you do know what you can expect from us as your service provider. You can see right here that I've completed this and the date that I completed it. And now I'm going to go through and do the client self-biography. Okay, so as you go through and complete this form, when you are done, you will click send completed form to provider. If there are things that you left out, you'll see this error right here. Okay, and then once you send this, once you click this button and it goes through, you won't see any more numbers over here on your My Docs and Forms. Okay, so hopefully that answers all your questions. If you do have any questions or if you get stuck, you can always email our admin team, or you can also call us at any time and we will be more than happy to help you out. Let us know if you have any questions and we look forward to working with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.